Every great shuffleboard table begins with the wood itself. For generations, playfields were built from solid maple and finished using traditional multi-coat systems. These finishes were labor-intensive, but they were designed to protect the wood while allowing it to be maintained over time. In the 1970s, new finishing methods became more common. Poured polymer systems offered a way to create a smooth, glossy surface through a faster application process. The finish is poured onto the board in a dam system and allowed to self-level as it cures. Different finishing systems represent different design philosophies. Wood naturally expands and contracts with changing humidity. The way a finish interacts with that movement influences long-term stability, serviceability, and how the table can be maintained in the future. In commercial environments especially, finishes are exposed to constant use. Understanding how a surface can be repaired or refinished over time is an important part of comparing tables. At McClure Tables, we continue to use multi-coat polyester finishing systems similar to those used on high-end musical instruments because it balances durability, clarity, and long-term serviceability. When evaluating a shuffleboard table, it's worth understanding not just how the surface looks on day one, but how it will perform and maintained over decades.